Easy house drawing with pencil. Are you ready to learn how to draw a house with this step-by-step tutorial for kids? You don't need to be an architect to see how easy designing your own house is. I think we have all thought about how great it would be to design the house that we would live in.
But very few actually get to do that. The next best thing is drawing a house design that you can imagine living in. The guide before you will allow you to do just that. I will show you how to gradually build up the details that make up a house until you have a wonderful little home of your own. You'll see how to draw a door, windows, roof, chimney, and other details to make this basic design. It's just a jumping off point though, because once you've mastered this guide you could add your own touches and ideas to make it your ideal house.
Drawing a house is a fun way to use your imagination and practice your drawing skills, but sometimes it's hard to know where to start. Fortunately, drawing a two-dimensional or three-dimensional house is simple once you know what to do.
Draw a rectangle. This first rectangle will be the frame of your house. The exact proportions of the rectangle don't matter, but try not to make it too long and thin or your house might not look realistic. Use a ruler or straight edge to draw the rectangle so all of the lines are neat and straight.
Sketch a triangle on top of the rectangle to make the roof. The base of the triangle should line up with the top of the rectangle. Make the triangle wide enough that the bottom corners extend past the sides of the rectangle. The triangle should be around the same height as the rectangle.
Add a chimney and some horizontal panels to the roof. To make the chimney, draw a tall, narrow rectangle that extends up off the left side of the roof. Then, draw a smaller, horizontal rectangle on top of it. To make the roof panels, draw evenly spaced horizontal lines from one side of the roof.